Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm sharing with you a favorite childhood treat, toffee apples. Delicious, sweet toffee apples. So you can use any size or type of apples that you want or that you like. The crispier the apple, the better. I'm using small apples here. So I've simply washed it under running water and dried it thoroughly with a paper towel. You see my apples are quite shiny at the end. And I've pressed a stick, an ice cream stick or a sucker stick through the core of the apples. Lay a piece of greaseproof paper onto a tray. And then in a heavy base pan or pot, you'll add 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water. Leave it to simmer for about 30 minutes without stirring. Now to test if the syrup is ready, drop a teaspoonful of the syrup into a bowl of cold water. It should form a ball as soon as it hits the water. Then you're ready to continue with your next step. Right, now you're going to stir in the food coloring and 1 teaspoon vinegar and cook a further 10 minutes, stirring now and then. You can add any amount of food coloring, red or green, to get the desired color. And then working quickly and carefully, dip and twist each apple in the hot toffee until fully covered, and let any excess drip away before placing it onto your parchment paper to harden. Like that. And then you continue with all your apples until all the syrup has been used. So you'll find a bit of excess syrup dripping down onto the parchment. You can either trim that away or leave it like that. And after a few minutes, you have a delicious treat to share with your children or to eat yourself. I've wrapped mine in a cellophane bag with a little ribbon, which I've given to my grandchildren as a treat, and everyone enjoyed it thoroughly. And there you have it, my quick and easy toffee apples. I hope you're going to try it with your kids or for your kids sometime. And please do follow me on social media at Cape Malay Cooking for further recipes. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.